Hi everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video, we are going to talk about IOC and DI. So basically, IOC stands for Inversion of Control Container, and DI stands for your dependency ingestion. Basically, it is the feature provided by the Spring. Spring is the framework of framework. So which have a different type of framework. It provides framework for the different framework like your JPC, XML, etc. But when this framework we use, so it have a sub framework which is known as core framework. So in this core framework we have this two option of IOC and DI. So basically, as you know, whenever we develop the application of a Java, so Java is a object-oriented programming language. So we have to create multiple classes, and we have to access multiple methods of these classes into one class or multiple class. Suppose I have a class A and class B, C, D. So whenever I want to access data from B, C, D, I have to create object again and again. For B, for C and D, I have to create multiple objects for multiple classes. So it's going to be very hectic task, or it make the application very heavier. So in this case, we will going to use this feature of your DI, means your dependency injection. So whenever you use this dependency injection, we will transfer this responsibility of creating object to your Spring. We have to use the annotation or XML. By using this, whenever we want to access the data from other multiple classes, Spring automatically creates the object and you can use that multiple classes in a single class or methods and etc. So how we will do this? This will be done. This will be done by using, whenever you create the class, you need to use the constructor or your getter and setter. Whenever you create the setter and getter this constructor, the responsibility transfer to the Spring, and Spring will take care of your object creation, which make your program very lighter, and it will provide provide you the loose coupling. Then when you would talk about any enterprise application or your Java EE enterprise edition, in that particular edition there is a three type of layer: user layer or UI layer. Then there is a business layer, and third is data access layer. In UI layer, you write your product code. In your particular business, you will write the business logic. And in your data access, there is a product DAO. This product DAO will take the data from the database, and it will pass to particular business logic of product service, and then you pass will be the user layer. So how they are communicating? They are communicating with each other by creating different objects, and we not need to create the particular object. It is automatically taken care by your Spring. So in this particular scenario is known as your dependency ingestion. And whenever you creating the setters, getters, and your particular constructor and your this data and this all structure or this design pattern is known as your inversion of control container. So what are the advantages of this particular IOC or DI? So first we have discussed the first advantage is we need not to create any object. That's why it make the coding very easy, make complex coding very easy. Then your application will be very lightweighted. Third, it will provide a loose coupling. Whenever you make any changes in any method or any classes, it will not going to affect any other classes. Then for testing on any application, it make very easy. So this is all about your IOC and DI. Thank you so much.